Welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video, we'll provide you with a full guide on how to clear TikTok's cache. If you're experiencing performance issues, glitches, or want to free up storage space on TikTok, follow these simple steps. Step 1. Open the TikTok app on your device. Step 2. Tap on the profile icon from the bottom drawer. This will take you to your TikTok profile. Step 3. In the top right corner, you'll see 3 stacked lines. Tap on those lines to access the TikTok menu. Step 4. From the menu, select Settings and Privacy. Step 5. Look for the Cache and Cellular section and tap on Free Up Space. Step 6. In the Cache menu, tap on Clear to remove the cached data from TikTok. By following these steps, you can easily clear TikTok's cache and improve the performance of the app. Clearing the cache helps resolve issues, reduce glitches, and free up valuable storage space on your device. Clearing TikTok's cache allows the app to start fresh and ensures a smoother TikTok experience. It's also a good practice to clear the cache periodically to maintain optimal performance. Thank you for watching, and enjoy a smoother and more efficient TikTok experience.